Hit like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more peaceful garden moments. Now I'm going to sprout young chayote plants. I choose mature chayote fruits for seeds, then mix lemon juice with water and soak the fruits for about 5 minutes. This helps clean the skin, naturally disinfect it, and encourages the sprouts to grow faster and stronger. To help the plant sprout faster, I use construction sand for germination. Sand provides good drainage, keeps just the right amount of moisture, and creates the perfect environment for chayote sprouts to grow quickly and healthily. One small comment from you can make this garden bloom brighter. After planting, I water the sand to keep it moist, maintaining steady humidity so the chayote sprout can emerge and grow faster. Moderately moist sand creates the perfect environment for healthy germination. I use a 25-liter container, cut off the top and punch holes around the sides to improve airflow and drainage. This prevents waterlogging, keeps the roots healthy, and helps the plant grow faster. With a 1-liter bottle, I cut off the bottom and make a small hole in the cap. Then, I attach an electrical wire to the cap to create a simple watering line. This way, water drips slowly to the roots, keeping the soil evenly moist and saving water efficiently. I mix worm compost into the soil so that when planting, the soil is richer in nutrients, helping the plant grow stronger and establish roots faster. Your one like keeps this tiny garden alive. Don't let it wither. After a few days of germination, the chayote fruit has sprouted healthy young shoots. Now I'm going to plant it in a 25-liter container. I pour water into the bottle to keep the soil moist and provide a steady water supply for the plant. Now the plant has started rooting and is climbing quickly, so I'll use bamboo sticks to build a trellis for it to climb on. Every subscribe is a drop of water for this little green world. I add worm compost at the base of the plant to give it extra nutrients, helping it grow stronger and produce healthier, greener leaves. I pour water into the bottle to give the plant extra moisture and help it grow better. I add pellet fertilizer at the base of the plant to help it grow faster. These pellets are made from goat manure, which is rich in nutrients and promotes strong, healthy growth. I add more soil around the base to keep the roots moist and help the plant stay firm and stable. If you're still watching, please leave a like. It means the world to me. At this stage, pests and fungus spread very quickly. To prevent them, I squeeze calamansi juice, mix it with water, and spray it on the plants. Calamansi juice works great as a natural repellent against insects and fungus. It's amazing! With my planting and care method, I now have a chayote trellis full of heavy, abundant fruit. Now I'm going to harvest and share the fruits of my labor with my loved ones. All those days of care and effort have truly paid off. It was absolutely worth it. If you enjoyed this calm moment, please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me keep planting more.